Hey guys, I'm Jamel, and today I'm doing a real life review for you of this KitchenAid replacement beater head from QAP, the Quality Art Practical Store, and I want to thank them for sending me this so that we could do this review. This particular one fits a 5+ 6-quart bull lift stand mixer, which is what I have, and just for reference, you can find your model number on the bottom, so you definitely will want to check compatibility with the replacement head, but my model like this, it is the right size, and my model number starts with KT26. So when it comes to the replacement head, just comparing it to my original, some of the difference, the design is a little bit different. This one is obviously 18/8 stainless steel. It is not coated. It is rust proof, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and it is made out of high quality material, and it's food safe. And just having this kind of attachment for your mixer really does help you be more efficient in the kitchen, decreases your kneading time. So saves you time and effort with kneading. You can knead and mix bread, pizza, pasta, yeast dough, cookie dough, pie dough, noodle, or other doughs. So make sure you check for compatibility, but it's got a really great sleek design, and it's going to make you a lot more efficient with your KitchenAid mixer.